How to recover Shein account. So if you want to recover your Shein account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Shein application. After opening your Shein, now you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom right, or you will have a me section. Go with me, which will be on the bottom right, and now tap on sign in and register, which is on the top. And after that, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now if you want to recover your account, then what you need to do is first you need to enter your phone number or your email address. Go with continue, and it may ask you to enter your password. Now if you don't remember your password, or if you want to recover your password, then go with forgot your password, which will be on the right side here. Tap on it. Once you tap on forgot your password, now you need to enter the verification code that you have received through the email address. So tap on send, which will be on the right side, and the verification code has been sent. Now go back, open up your mail. After opening, as you can see that you will receive the Shein verification code. Copy the code, go back and paste it right here. Go with submit, and now you can create a new password. So enter your new password and confirm your new password. Go with submit, and your password will be changed. After changing your password, go back to the login page, enter your new password, your email address, and login. In this way, you'll be able to recover your Shein account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.